YD988 Large Screen Curved Surface Laminating Machine, built in 4 languages. Large size laminating cabin, equipped with a universal sponge adhesive pad tray. Flat screen phones can directly laminate. Flip-free cable can be pressed with a bracket for iPhone. Select flat screen phone mode. Press the start button to laminate. After laminating is completed, removing the screen. Further defoaming can be performed uniformly. When laminating the curved screen, use a dedicated curved screen laminating pad. Select the corresponding curved screen laminating mode. Press the start button to start. Laminate completed. Let's take a look at the effect of only laminating. Almost perfect. Just remove the foam a little more. 12.9-inch large tablet PC can be directly placed on the tray for laminating. Choose Tablet PC Laminate mode. One-click Start to laminate. Machine automatically switches pressure. Laminate completed. The machine adopts 125 large cylinders. Excellent laminating effect. Perfect. After the screen is laminated, further unify the large-scale defoaming process. Efficient. Press the start button to perform defoaming. Defoaming completed. Let's take a look at the effects one by one. Perfect. Completely bubble-free. Very beautiful. Light up and test the screen. Display good. Good touch. Take a look at the curved screen again. Pretty. And there's also a tablet iPad. Perfect. After the curved screen is laminated, placed in the curing chamber at the top of the machine, cure the screen can effectively prevent screen back bubbles.